Hello viewers, for those of you that have been asking me the timing of timing mark of Ford Focus 1.0 EcoBoost, I'm going to show you this one now step by step how to lock your crankshaft and put the pulley on the mark and how the timing on the camshaft supposed to look like. First of all, when you turn the engine, there is a small hole on the timing cover here that need to line up with this pulley. This hole is very important. Once you line it like that, it is okay. And then behind here, you can see under the drive shaft, there is this 10mm bolt. This one, let me remove it. This 10mm bolt, that is where we are going to lock the crankshaft. You can see how the bolt look like. And this is the locking tool for the crankshaft here. So you insert it in that hole. You tie it, it's going to block the crankshaft, it's going to lock the crankshaft automatically. So when you see this crankshaft pulley here line up, means that the number one piston is up on the top dead center. The number one piston is at the top, which means this one is just going to hold the piston directly. Let me show you. So you can see I've tied it fully inside. So now, to know that it has locked the crankshaft, you now remove this one here. You remove this one, and then you put your tool here and try to turn the engine. You hear, okay, you see, the engine is not shaking, it's not moving, means the crankshaft is already locked. But if you do it anti-clockwise, it will move. You see? So if you bring it now clockwise, you hear it down, it's on point. And then when it's on point like that, this one need to go in. This one need to go in to line up with the hole that is on this timing cover. And then here on the crankshaft, we have to lock it here. There is a locking tool, this one here, that we have to lock the crankshaft from here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So you can see we have locked the crankshaft on the where we have just taken the starter motor. You see, we have locked the crankshaft now. So once you have locked the crankshaft like this, the reason you are locking the crankshaft is because this pulley here is turning around. If you don't block the crankshaft, if you don't lock the crankshaft like that, you won't be able to take off this pulley. So that's the most reason why we are locking this crankshaft, to take off the pulley and to put in back the pulley. That's the reason why we are locking the crankshaft from the flywheel. So once you have done it like this, we'll send it down. Then let me show you the timing mark on the camshaft. So you can see here, once your camshaft, this position you are seeing here with this mark, once it is up, just level both sides, as you can see here. Once they are like that, very level, straight, because I don't have the normal tool. There is a tool that you can hold the camshaft from here, but I don't have that tool. So once you just turn it and see this mark as I'm showing you here up both sides, and make sure the two heads of the camshaft is looking inside. The two heads looking inside. Same goes to this other side. They should be looking inside. Once it is like that, it means your timing is perfectly okay. So that is how you can set your timing from a Ford Focus 1.0 EcoBoost engine. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thanks. Bye.